30,000 in 2 months is what I have been able to accomplish, and it's all because of digital marketing. But this post is going to be something totally different than you were expecting. It is not about how easy digital marketing is. It is about how much hard work I put into my business to accomplish these types of results. So here are the 3 things that I recommend you need to implement into your digital marketing business to achieve the type of money you want to achieve. The number 1 thing I've been doing is posting consistently every single day, and that's 2 to 3 times per day. But don't think posting anything is going to get you the results that you're looking for. You need to make sure you are posting quality content that is going to convert for your audience. So edit your content, use hooks, and make sure you're actually speaking directly to that person you're trying to communicate with. Number 2 is using SEO and actually using it properly. And when you use it properly, TikTok's going to know exactly how to categorize your content. That way it goes to the right people who are going to want to buy from you. So the way you accomplish this is you actually go into TikTok and search for the exact way you want your video to be categorized. Take a screenshot of the other searched for, and then you're actually going to copy and paste 3 or 4 of these words, and you're going to put them into your video. You're going to shrink them down really small, and then you're going to push them down to the corner where nobody can see. Also use a few hashtags that are going to correlate with how you want your video to be categorized, and you're going to copy and paste those same exact words that you put in your video right underneath. And lastly, the thing that I've done that has generated me so much money is engaging with people. Actually comment back to every single person who comments on your videos. If somebody sends you a DM, message them back. So if you're wanting to get started with digital marketing, just know it does take time and it takes a lot of work to actually get the kind of results that you're seeing with me. So if you're ready to get started, comment let's go, and I'm going to send you the blueprint that I use, which has generated me so much income over the past 2 months.